Yes, good evening, and this is Subbu here from Bangalore, a digital marketer and affiliate marketer and a music lover. This video is regarding copywriting tips and tricks. Although I am not going into the detail of copywriting techniques, I'm just touching upon the main points of copywriting tips and tricks. Copywriting, as we know, is selling through words, phrases, sentences, and text in any media. Copywriting is regarded as one of the highest paying or income earning skills in the modern day world or in digital marketing. And hence, develop copywriting skill in a big way, you are going to earn huge income in the future, near future, because digital marketing, copywriting, copywriters in digital marketing are slowly, they are slowly developing and skill is catching up in the digital marketing world. Now, the principles touch upon like this. In any copy, you always touch upon both the head and the heart because copy and copywriting and music are related. People always buy through emotions and justify it with the logic. So you need to always attract attention of people through emotional connect first and then justify, add some logic also there in your headlines. So then people will get attracted to your ad copy. You need to always refer the top performing ads which are available in Google and all those media nowadays. Now, you need to refer always to highly converting ads. Now, they always touch upon the emotional aspect and the logical aspect. And always they will give some odd figures like 11 or 9 or 7 or 5 to make it more attractive with emotion and logic so that people get attracted and get the hook and then they take the desired action. Operating is always attraction and to attract and retain customers to take the desired action, like even buying a product or a service or subscribing to a particular webinar or subscribing to an email list and all. For this, you always need to attract attention. So then the other part is that when you for this you have headlines, you have the sub headlines, and you have a content in which first you try to describe a particular problem, then give a solution, explain the benefits of the solution to the people, justify it with some kind of uh, social proof if it is available, and then drive them to the call to action. So this is the sequence usually followed. You have the very attractive headlines and then the sub headlines, then the subject in which they give a immediately tell about a particular problem, then suggest a solution with all the brief benefits in brief, then give a social proof, and then drive them to the call to action. For this, you can refer. Uh, you need to also always refer the all the highly performing ads written by or ad copies written by all the high performing ads written by top influencers or marketers. So there are a few types of ad copies like email copy, ad copy, and social media copy, and all that. So you can refer them each of them in Google and try to copy the same thing into and maintain a swipe file, create a file of your own, and then try to build up that ad copy referring to all these high performing ads. The other technique which I wanted to tell is for you need two things. One is you need to understand what are the keywords, highly performing keywords. For that, you can use Uber Suggest or Google Keyword Planner or even Google. Then you need to have the attractive headlines and all that. For that, you can again refer highly performing ad copies or email copies written by top influencers or marketers. So once you analyze and understand the keywords, top performing keywords, you can use those keywords in your ad copies or email copies or social media copies. This is what you people usually follow. And there are forums like Answer the Public, Quora, or Swiped.co. It gives a lot of data on various ad copies and text and all that written there. And you also can refer various ad copies. Even in ClickBank, you can go and refer there. You can refer some of the forums like Uber Suggest, or refer Neil Patel's, how he has written all the top influencers ad copies, how he is writing those kind of ad copies. Take inspiration from them, then create your own copy. Then test it with the Grammarly, which is a Google extension, and test it for the correct grammar. As I told you, you need to have the emotional connect as well as with the logic. So you need to always give some text or thing which would attract the attention of the audience, specific audience which you are targeting. At the same time, have some numbers put in there to so that you can justify it with the logic. For example, if I wanted to tell something about a problem of health and fitness, hey, I will start with a copy like, do you know that 70% of the people in this world are suffering to manage their daily energies and are not able to perform well in various activities of daily life? And here is a solution. I have an energy booster formula which is conducted by one of the top health and fitness experts in the world, for which I'll be conducting a webinar in the coming Sunday at 6 p.m., who will be giving a simple 5-step health and fitness formula which will increase and boost your energy at least 5 times from the existing level without sacrificing your favorite food. So these kind of first I'm trying to attract the attention, then trying to suggest a particular solution, then I am trying to give the benefits, like telling that it will boost your energy 5 times than the existing energy, and also giving some kind of a social proof or something which would say that it is being conducted along with a health and fitness expert, one of the health and fitness expert in the world. If you want to attend this particular webinar, kindly subscribe to the link below, or the link is given below. Please register for the webinar through the link below. So in which I am collecting the names, number and email IDs of all those people who are interested through this ad copy. So naturally, people are attracted to subscribe to this particular link because the ad copy written is I am telling about a particular problem, attracting the attention or curiosity of the people or the audience, giving a solution, suggesting a solution with the benefits, and driving them to the call to action. This is the structure you need to follow. It's like a funnel, attractive funnel. So you always write a copy like that. And you can also say, if you look at all the attractive ad copies, they will say 11 simple hacks to boost your energy 10x time in daily life. So what happens is they are always giving an odd number, attracting your emotional. They are also connecting your emotion by saying that to boost your energy, they are connecting your own emotions there, attracting curiosity and driving them to the call to action. So these sort of headlines you will get by referring to all these kind of Google uh, Google Keyword Planner, Uber Suggest, and all that. Neil Patel's top influencers, all the attractive headlines. From that, you can take all the inspiration, even the headlines, sub-headlines, the body and text of the messages, what are he has written, and what is the call to action he's giving. Take inspiration from all that, collect it into your own swipe file, and then create your own ad copy, making the changes. This is what you can do in all types of copywriting, wherein whether it is an email copy, you refer all the emails of top influencers, take inspiration from them, put it in a swipe file, mix it, and make your own email copy. Follow that pattern for email. Email copy is different from the social media copy. In the case of social media copy, there is always emojis added, attractive headlines along with images or videos. It's different from the email copies. You need to refer all these attractive ad copies which are available in the net through various media, and then you can make your own copywriting for the particular purpose you are making. You can refer even ClickBank, wherein you find a lot of digital or other products, and refer their headlines, how they are writing, And there are many forums like that. So you can refer all that. Try to copy all those top influencers, add copies or which are available in the net, then change it to suit your own requirement and make your happy copy, and then try to do your creativity and make an attractive ad copy. You can always mix the emotion with the numbers, as I told you. Numbers are required, or especially odd numbers, to attract the audience, and emotions are required to invoke or trigger their emotions or attraction or curiosity to drive them to take the required action. So if you say, hey, do you know that, as I told you, 70% of the people are now in today's world are suffering to manage their daily energy, for which I have a particular energy booster formula for which I am conducting a webinar this Sunday with one of the top health and fitness experts in the world who has written so many articles, and his name is so and so. If you want to attend this webinar, kindly register in the link below. So, what is happening is a problem, a solution, and also I am trying to connect with the emotion, and also saying that he is suggesting, you can also say he's suggesting 5 simple hacks to boost your energy 10x times in daily life. So, like that, I'm trying to suggest a solution and driving them to the call to action. This is a very simple example I'm giving. This I got it only inspiration from Google and Google Keywords Planner, along with studying some of the top ad copies written by the top influencers or top operators. I think I have given some kind of idea on the copywriting tips and techniques. There are a lot of fora you can refer, like what I told you. For the content, you can refer Bussumo and Swipe.co, and a copy blogger or something. Copy blogger is also available where you can refer. Then try to build your own swipe copy or swipe file in which you can make your own ad copy and then try to put it to the client or whatever way. Create your own copy. I hope I made some value on the copywriting tips and techniques. Please give your review if it is good or bad. That will help me to improve. Thank you so much.